Hello, and today I'm going to do a video on taking out these stereo here on this Toyota Avensis T270. So I'm going to remove this today and I'll do a quick video on it just so if anyone needs to do it in the future, just to show you, demonstrate how you do it. So there's a few steps. First of all, there's plastic panels here. There's one here and there's another one on the opposite side here, and then there's this piece here. This is all one piece. This has to come off here, and then there's the side pieces to come off. This side piece here, is all one, and then this side piece here is just a sliver at the side. And then we need to take the top off, and there should be two bolts, one in here, and there should be two screws, one around here and one around here and one around here. So what we'll do is we'll start off first of all, and we'll take off the first side piece, which will be on this side. So as we can see here, there's a curvature here in it. This is where a lot of the clips are. So let me just get this in. There we go. I'm gonna use a different for this. More of a solid piece. There we go. That's one. And there's another one here. And they just come off like so. That's number one. Off it comes, as you can see. With the clip. There we go. Just leave that there. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. So exactly the same thing. There we go. That's two off. Now, next thing is this one here now. I want to get this one off next. So this thing comes off just like that. Let's pull it off. It's quite simple. The next thing is we're going to take off this one here. So we start prying them off here like this. There we go. That's number one. Same thing on the other side. And you can see whoever owned this car before was doing it, and they left some marks. Right. There you go. This whole thing comes out then. That's that there. Now test it. Well, there's a lot of dust in there. So somebody was in here before. There's a screw missing. There. The screw is in there. So the next step is to remove this. So what I'm going to do is I can come from the top and walk there. So. We'll come back to you in 1 second. Now, this comes in two parts here. With the top piece here, there'll be a connection for the hazard warning lights on this. So you have that, and then you have this. It's a facade that goes around the stereo. So getting this off here now. There we go. And this here should click off this. Click back into this. This clicks out here. Make it much easier. And there we go. Simple as that. Out you come. So you even have to disconnect that. I just want to take this off, but around. Let's see what way this is going. Yes, this. I'll just disconnect this out. That's the whole thing off there now. Now and this one then just unclips in from behind. It's irrelevant really, I don't really need to get it off for the time being, but here we have it here. So we have 4 screws, we've one here, we've one missing there, and we've one here. So that's how we release that, so it's pretty simple. This just clicks back in, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's really simple clicking. You obviously connect this first and then reconnect it then. Really simple. So I'll take out the 4 screws and it just slides out. But what we'll do is I'll take it out while I'm at it, and I will be right back when I get the right tools. Okay, so I've taken this off, obviously you seen that there a second ago. These clips, I'll just clip off. It's really simple to get these things off. But I don't need this now for the next thing I'm doing. But anyway, as I said, screwdriver, really simple, take them off. 4 screws, in this case 3. And when I get that done, then we come straight back to you. Right, screws removed. Should be all 4. Just pull it out and disconnect at the back. You see there's one. I don't know if you can see. Maybe I have to make sure. 1, 2, 3 connections and the the antenna, and that's it. And then when you're just putting it back together, do it in reverse. Now, hope this video was helpful to somebody out there, and if it is, please give us a subscribe, leave a comment if you like, and give it an old thumbs up. Would be helpful. Well, I'll just take it off as well when I'm at it. Why not, child? So that's the first one. Second one. Screwdriver. Using them when they're getting stubborn. A bit of persuasion. 2. That's it. And then the antenna. Same thing there. These are new type antennas, but looks at it. Happy days. There, 1 stereo out. So, if you like, please subscribe, leave a comment, give a thumbs up. If not, anyway, hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.